Hey guys, how are you? Today we discuss the most important topic of C++. Today we discuss about condition. Conditions. Okay. Today we discuss the first condition. First of all, we discuss the total conditions. First condition is if else. And the second one is if else if. Third one is switch statement. Okay, switch. Okay, now we discuss the first condition if else. If else condition is used when we have any two numbers and we find the number greater number. For example, we have one number is 10 and the second number is 5 and we find greater number, then we use the if else condition. For example, a equal to 10 and b equal to 5, and the question is find the greater number between the two numbers. Okay, now we use if else condition. Basic structure: if a is greater than b, if a is greater than b, then cout a is greater. Okay, this is the basic structure of if else condition. Understood? And the else, bracket close, bracket close, else, then else body cout b is greater. Understood? Let's see. When we use this condition, if a greater than b, then compiler move to that position a and b. First he check the value of a's value is 10, and second check value of b. If a is greater than b, then the compiler go to the that position and show this output a is greater than. If b is greater than a, then compiler go to the else statement. Understood? And print b is greater than. Now we perform that operation in dev C++. Hash include iostream header file using namespace standard and the main function. Okay, in the main function, first of all we declare the two numbers a equal to 6 and b equal to 10. Okay, and we use if statement. If a is greater than b, then output if a is greater than b, then compiler shows that output a is greater. Okay, else if a is not greater than b, then what that shows, then cout b is greater than, b is greater. That's enough. Understood? Now we compile this program. Execute. Let's see, friends. The value of a is 6 and the value of b is 10. Then we use if a greater than b, then show a is greater than, else b is greater than. Now b's value is greater than a, then it shows the output b is greater than. Understood, friends? Thank you to enough for today.